So hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures and back home in the UK, here in the Peak District. About to go to climb Stanish Pole near the Red Myers Reservoir on my all new bike, my mountain bike, which I'll show you a little bit later on during this ride. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. Had a nice lay-in, not too early. I should have got up a bit earlier really, because today it's 100 kilometers riding. Put a bit of light on here and footlight as well, just in case. Of course, the one downside of owning a bit of lying is that I'm going to have to be mixing the walkers, so probably not be able to pin it downhill. It's pretty cool up here today. It must be floating around 8 or 9 degrees right now, I bet. Anyway, it's time to start going upwards and watch out for any toads. Whew, just a quick spin around. Made it to the top. Stanish Pole, maybe less than 100 metres really from the start of the reservoir. Hands are freezing. Might nip into Outkit to the Haversham store and just get some 4 fingers gloves because it's freezing. To be fair, this is probably going to be the coldest part of the ride. Yeah, so anyway, the climb up a lot easier than on the gravel bike. Gravel bike was just pure walking all the way. With this kind of, it was a breeze really. Just needed to be very attentive on my very low mountain bike skills. But yeah, I managed to pedal all the way up. Really stopped once for the gate. So there's a gate halfway and you can't ride through it. So yeah, anyway, so the view that you're rewarded with once you get to the top. Absolutely beautiful. There's kind of the Hope stroke Edale Valley over there. I don't know which is which to be. Anyway, you're going to see how far, or rather how fast I can get down the pass with all these people back. As always, it's very popular here at the Peak District. So here we are coming to the downhill section. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. And of course this whole group blocking the entire path. Going past. Thank you. Fast. You. Not the kind of downhill speed I envisaged, but perhaps that's for the better really. A bit of a beginner still. I'm already on some hiker bike. If I can do Guananchi, that big hiker bike section, I can surely do this. If you've not seen that video yet, go check it out, link in the corner. This doesn't last too long. I came here to ride my bike. I know I've got a lot to learn about suspension bikes, but I doubt anybody can ride this. Look at this ridgeline there. Beautiful, stunning. And around the corner is Derwent Water. We're still going up though, not quite reached the top yet, and getting hungry, so I need to find some shelter on the other side of the hill. I found a little bit of shelter, so currently tucking into Ginsters. I've also got a flapjack hiding away in there. It's a Bakewell. Yeah, Bakewell flapjack. Oh yeah. Some beautiful views down here. Me and that next group in the middle picture is, if you can see them over the top of my Ginsters, is beginning of the reservoir there. And I think if we pan towards the right over in that general direction. Oh no, it's not over that down direction, is it? I'm just trying to work out where Kinder Scout is. I think Kinder Scout is probably all the way over there, in fact. Glad I bought my lights. I thought some of this might be rideable. I didn't realise it's going to be all hiker bike. Very few parts are rideable, like very few. Or I'm just not skilled enough, one of the two. Bit of both, I imagine. And the cleats are getting full of shit as well. That's probably not open. Maybe I like to practice this terrain on flat shoes, flat pedals. Yeah, got the line all wrong there. If I get on again here, all I'm going to do is get to that end of it and come off. It's quicker walking. I always end up throwing myself in the deep end. I'm sure there's better trails which are slightly above my current level of expertise that I could have chosen. Well, I have not. Anyway, here I am. I guess it shows what work I've got to do. Well. May not recorded much along there, but experienced a lot. The last 8k it's taken me an hour to do. So from south to north, most of it was hiker bike. It was a lot more favourable coming off the northern edge. There's bits I could ride and felt confident in riding, whereas climbing up from the south, it was impossible. So at some point soon should be joining the Trans-Pennine Trail, and things will undoubtedly get a little bit quicker from here on in. Hello. Not entirely sure the wind direction. It's a westerly, so it's never really going to be much of a tailwind today. About 65k to go, 3:30 in the afternoon. Supposed to be raining at some point later, like a quick sharp shower, so yeah, I'm not really interested for now, but just hoping at that point in time I can find some shelter. And there's lots of muddy bits. It's still wet from all the autumn. I guess the lots of this don't even dry the rest of the year, though, do they? Hello sheep, hello little lamb. You gotta start walking or something. Look at those little two ones. Oh yeah. Right. There's a little bit of a sealed surface just here. A bit more rideable. Right. Down we go. So arrived on, I think it's called the Upper Don Valley Trail, which is part of the Trans-Pennine Trail itself. It's going to get very difficult between now and Glossop. God, you're a big cow, aren't you? Jesus Christ. I get a lot of burgers out of you. Oh. Well, look at that. What disgusting is that? Whew. So during today's ride, I've been following short elements of the Peak 200. However, I've just made an executive decision just to cut the last 8k or so section of gravel out, mainly for clothing issues, and that I haven't got any leg warmers and I could do with an extra layer of clothing, so I don't want to take an hour walking really slowly, getting really cold, because I've been cold on and off last couple of hours now. Just want to keep on moving, so I've taken the road down to Chapel en le Frith, so I'm heading up Sheffield Road, make a bit more quicker progress. These road climbs are mega slow on a mountain bike. It does give you a bit longer to look at the views, but makes it go a lot slower. Whew. Well folks, I do hope you've enjoyed my ramblings here in the Peak District and learned something from watching me suffer today. Comments, questions, get involved down below. Give the video a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, now might be the time. I wasn't going to, but I'm going to go down the old road, the broken road. Oh, that's a big view of the day. Well, what I'm going to see anyway. Right. It's nice to mix up the walking and the cycling. Jaggers Lane. Looked a bastard when I came down it. Well folks, it's been an eventful weekend. Went out riding yesterday around Nottinghamshire. I don't know if that video will make it to the channel, but yeah, I managed to get out riding a lot on both days. Just didn't really get out of bed early enough. What is it saying? 302 metre climb. Nice. Right, I'm going to concentrate on getting this done. You might see me climbing and struggling up there, you might not. Hey boy, I'll see you again soon, take care, bye bye. Final gate. Bastard. Right, let's get this done, last little bit. If I knew it was going to be this late, I'd have bought my head torch. Woohoo!